How can I thicken runny whipped frosting?
Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of frosting, more specifically, how to thicken up that runny whipped frosting that's been giving you a tough time. It can be frustrating when your frosting doesn't hold up, but don't worry, we've got your back. Let's make your frosting perfect.
Why is my whipped frosting runny?
First, let's understand why your frosting might be runny. Frosting can become too thin for several reasons, such as overbeating, too much liquid, or insufficient sugar. But regardless of the reason, there are solutions.
How to thicken runny whipped frosting?
So, let's get to the solutions. We have 3 main ways to tackle runny frosting. 1. Add more powdered sugar. This is one of the simplest ways to thicken your frosting. However, be cautious. Add the sugar gradually while continuously mixing your frosting to avoid making it overly sweet. 2. Chill it. Another method is to simply refrigerate your frosting. Let it sit in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then give it a good stir. If it's still too runny, let it chill a bit longer. 3. Use a thickening agent. If the above methods don't work, you can try a thickening agent, like cornstarch or meringue powder. Add these gradually until you reach the desired consistency.
Can I prevent runny whipped frosting?
Absolutely. Prevention is better than cure, right? Here are some tips to prevent runny frosting in the first place. 1. Measure ingredients accurately. Baking is a science. Always make sure you're following your recipe accurately. 2. Avoid overbeating. Overbeating incorporates too much air into the frosting, which can make it runny. 3. Be careful with liquid additions. If your recipe calls for a liquid addition, like milk or cream, add it gradually and cautiously to avoid making your frosting too thin. And that's it, folks. With these tips and tricks, you should be well on your way to perfect, thick whipped frosting. No more runny frosting ruining your beautiful cakes. We hope you found this video helpful, and happy baking!